Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to trace an image using Canva. So here I am in my Canva account dashboard, and for example, I'll create a blank presentation right here. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to upload the image that we want to use. So for example, I have this image right here in my uploads. For example, I'll choose this one. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to use an app to trace this image. So we'll go to apps and then from the search bar, just type in tracer. Click enter. Then we have the tracer application right here. So just click on it and then from here we can choose if we want the output to be black and white or full color. So for example, let's try black and white first. Click trace image. Then we should see the traced image right here. So right now I have a threshold of 79. So you can adjust this according to your preference. So for example, I'll choose 202. And as you can see, if you choose a higher value for the threshold, sometimes it creates some problems. So you need to find the perfect amount of threshold so that you can have a good traced image. So for example, the one that we have earlier is around 81. So we can choose this one and click add to design. Then we will have the traced image right here. So for example, if you choose like a lower value for the threshold, so the tracing of the image right here will not look as good. So you just need to find the perfect amount of threshold so that you can have a good quality of the traced image. And then once you have the traced image right here, you can also change the colors. For example, purple, blue, yellow, and so on and so forth. So you can adjust the color of your traced image and then you can add it as a design. And then you can also choose the other option right here, which is the full color. So click trace image so we can see what it looks like. So if you have the full color right here, so it will look like this. So it is a simple trace of the image without any details such as the eyes and then the specific lines right there. So you can still add this to your design and then it will look like this. So keep in mind that the full color mode is still in beta mode, so that's why it can have some problems. But that's it. You can choose if you want a black and white output or a full color. And then you can go ahead and add it to your Canva design. And then that's it. That is how we can trace an image using Canva. So I hope you learn how to do it and thank you for watching.